if you're getting those codes here, 0457, which is cap loose or not there, 0455, it's a large leak detected, 0456, a small leak detected, and again the fuel cap and the check engine light on, you might have a problem on this little thing here. I'm gonna show you where it is under the car and what to do. Usually there are hoses connected to this. The hoses could be broken or cracked, and also there's a little gasket in here. So under the driver's side, you see this here, and it is right there. So you see there is a hose here, there are hoses up there. So all those hoses could be cracked, so you gotta check them. I'm going to take this connector out of here. Here, you just squeeze that side, and then, yep, out, done. And now this here, so there are two. It could be the hose, we're gonna inspect it, but for now, I'm gonna twist this. And with that out of the way, see this little tab on the bottom? We're gonna use the picker here, pick on that tab, and as we do that, we just twist. Done. There you go. Sorry. And it comes off. There is a O-ring. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you the O-ring, which is right there. I'm gonna try, yep, just to pull it out, and now we put the new one. Straightforward. I can't see even what I'm doing, but so same process, reverse order. There you go. Let me push the tab a little. Oh, I don't need it. Hose is there. All right. So now I'm going to erase the codes, and then we're going to run the car again. So the check engine light is gone, and it should not come back. Still have the gas cap, but the check engine light didn't come back. So let's read again. Yep, no codes. So if you're having this problem, usually it comes as a small leak, and then as you don't fix it, the leak gets bigger. So you see the second code comes up saying bigger leak, and usually is this O-ring here, mostly. It could be the part itself, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Part costs $25. If it doesn't fix your problem, you spend $25 and upgraded your part. So I hope this video helps you fix your Dodge Ram. And fixed mine. I spent a bunch of the winter doing this because I didn't want to go under the car, but it's a $20. I'm gonna put the part here on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Later, love you.